Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare fried pointed gourd. Now what you have to do is I've taken 3 pointed gourds and I have just taken out the peel and I'm going to mix it with the other ingredients. I'm using salt, pinch of sugar, turmeric powder, red chilli powder. Now what I'll do, I'll mix this with all the spices. Here I have mixed the spices well with the pointed gourds, which is also known as patal in Hindi. Now what I will do is I am going to fry all this in oil. You can marinate this like this and keep it for some time, for 15 to 20 minutes. So now we'll heat some oil. Here I am heating little oil for it to get fried. Now oil is already hot. Be careful when you are dropping the pointed gourds in. Lower the flame and then put in. Little at a time. And we'll fry this till it becomes nice and tender. As you can see now, our pointed gourd is cooked well and it has changed its color. We'll take it out in a plate. Here, my fried pointed gourds are ready now. You can eat them with hot rice or bread. I hope you liked my recipe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you stay updated with my new recipes. See you soon. Bye.